3D pointed back crystals and handcrafted flower. But this time we are exclusive doing a crystal placement. We have so many questions asking for is I having a hard time to share with the clients because they say, oh, they're not gonna do it, or it's not gonna last, and or they might think it's so crazy expensive. Now we show them a different stage that the design you're doing. You can get $5 nails, you can get $10 nails, you can get $15 nails, you can get $20 nails. We have a client doing $30 nails, you know, so they love it, they feel it, they experience it, they will come back, they don't mind to pay you extra because they know it's gonna last and a good quality of product from you, and then you're confident in your skills. That is going to make them feel really confident and trust. All right, so now $15 nails, so I am going to use 3 centerpiece. So now you have $10 with 2 centerpiece. So we're going to do 3 centerpiece for clients. You get like 9,000 crystal from that super gorgeous and sparkle kit. So you have so many to work on, and we're gonna do 3 centerpiece on this one. So I get a frames again. I absolutely love this frame. It's full frame. Like there are 4 jars of a crystal jar. You know how you get the metal frame from us? It is 1 jar. It's so luxurious, beautiful with all different crystal mix. Charms and designs mix. And now in this kit you get 4 jars on that in the middle section right there. So I'm just so obsessed with this. So now is a frame. I love this frame. So the quick way to doing it and the best way to achieve crystal placement is really easy, simple. You place a centerpiece. In this centerpiece is 3 pieces. 3 special, beautiful, exquisite designs in here. 1, 2, 3. So I did use triangle, S shape, and then polished rice, and they're so beautiful. It doesn't matter whatever colors in the background you choose, it's gonna really bring it out. So I'm gonna put, this is SS16. See, so you're using like so many of different colors here. And again, you can apply that with, you know, if you already have a lot of kits from Glitz, you can definitely apply the same similar as techniques. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope it's helped. The information, it will really help for all of you. Have question, feel free to ask. I am here to help you and assist you. All right, so in the size right there, yes, Michelle, that charging a full set, for example, $75 plus additional $15. You are correct. Yes, per nails. And the clients are, oh my gosh, is too much, I don't want to do 15. Then you can show them $5 nail and $10 nails, you know, give them a variety of a different option.
And hey Abigail, so if you want for dip powder, we do have them too. So if you check out our acrylic powder, this 2-in-1. You can do liquid and monomer, and you can also do dipping. Well, for both. And if you want some tutorial, we have a lot of video. Just go to our IGTV, YouTube, or Facebook channel and just search for dipping.
And I'm gonna add a couple more, which is I'm using size SS10. Hold on, 4, 6, 8. I'm sorry, I did 10, 8. And oh my god, this has got me. I love this color. It's so cute. You already have like a lot of glitz glow in the dark crystal, but this kit we added on some really cool colors. It's such a stunning, and it just got me. I don't know, I just like the way with that orange. They're so beautiful. Never go wrong with that. And also, like, we have an orange and we have a coral, which is so beautiful. I can't wait to have you all have it in your hands. We're seeing a lot of you are placing an order. Get it with your free Trifecta. We do not want you to miss it. This is my favorite kit. I have to say this is top faith. After so many kits that we studying, we doing it, and we keep coming out with a really good quality crystal, along with really cool concept for you to do your successful crystal placement. So then you're not afraid of like, oh my god, I love it, so gorgeous, but my clients were not doing it, they're not wearing it. Not because you're not believe in yourself strong enough, you're not like sure that you can bringing the best to your clients. That's why you hesitate it to not offer them. But you know, if after the live today, if you're trying it, give yourself like a half an hour, do couple swatching, and design to show your clients with really the clients like see in a picture, you can't tell the crystal. I have some wax residues here, but it can't tell. But then when the clients get their hands on and they are feeling on it, is Ada girls, do the gems come off easy? It's a great question. I love that. They are not when you are using the 3-step method. So I did condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and precision glue gel. So it will not come up when you apply it properly. And plus also the keys, a big keys in here is your LED light too. Make sure you key it properly. You can key it full key instead of just portable key. So you want to make sure that and then we're using condensed glue gel first, thick density, and then with the no wipe top coat. So then both of that layer will grab your base of your crystal, stay really nice and just concrete on it. And then after that, you're gonna go in and using your precision glue. So it's precision glue gel is gonna be a 3rd step. So then you're gonna go between all of the edges of your crystal and then keep it stay there for a really good concrete for at least 3 weeks, if not more. All right, so I'm happy with this. We can add some more before, because this is your $15 of gorgeous crystal placement. All right, so then you can add it on for your clients, and I'm going to show you the nails that we are going to do for $20. This one is a $15 of the service. Can you fix this one? Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm so excited. I can't wait because we have so many of them asking, I love the kids, but I'm not sure, or loves all the different kids, and a lot of questions like, but it's hard. I don't know how I can price it properly, so then the clients be happy and I don't lose, you know, money. So here is some tip and trick for you. So don't be afraid of to start up with the crystal placement. If you're doing this beautiful nail art and others, it's great to add it on the service. So this is we're able to upsell for your service, and it makes the clients is really happy, and they seeing it, they feel it. When the clients love coming to see my swatch, because I update the swatch all the time for different seasons, and they love feeling it, and they love watching it, and they love like see and feel it. Okay, so add more beads right there. So now your $15 nails is complete.